10 Chrome extensions you can use to increase your work productivity in 2022. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I remain your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub, and just like I said, I'll be showing you 10 Chrome extensions that you can actually use to increase your work productivity in 2022. But before we start talking about these Chrome extensions, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Kindly click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this one. So, as we all know, most times when browsing on the internet, it can be very hectic and can even cause burnout if you are following the long road of doing things. But with Chrome extensions, you can actually reduce this stress and increase your work productivity by making things work much more faster for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you 10 Chrome extensions that I use personally, and most online entrepreneurs use these 10 Chrome extensions as well to make work faster for them and increase the productivity when doing work on the internet. So that being said, I'm going to move over to my laptop right now and show you these 10 Chrome extensions, and I hope that you will enjoy it and also use these Chrome extensions over time to make work easier for you while browsing on Chrome. So let's go and see these Chrome extensions. Okay, so first of all, before we jump into showing you what the Chrome extensions are, let's know what a Chrome extension is, because some people probably have heard about it, but they fully do not know what it is. So as you can see here, Google Chrome extensions are programs that can be installed into Chrome in order to change the browser's functionality. So as you can see, it will help your browser perform much more better. And as you can see, they said extensions let you customize your web browsing experience by adding functionalities with the click of a mouse. So it's very simple. I believe you understand this explanation right here. So let's go in and I will show you these 10 amazing Chrome extensions that you can use to start increasing your productivity just like me. So the first one right here is called Go Fullpage. It's called Full Page Screen Capture. So what this Chrome extension does is that it helps you capture the full page that you are browsing on. As we all know, sometimes you can be browsing on a page and that page is very, very long, but you are trying to capture everything on that page. This Go Full Page extension is going to help you capture everything, save it into an image, and also even give you the PDF file of that page. So now, how do you now access Google Chrome extensions? There are two ways you can actually access Google Chrome extensions. So you can first of all go to your browser. On your Google search, just search for Chrome extensions. As you can see, it's going to, you just search it and you will be taken to the result that have been given to you. So you can click on this place which says extensions Chrome developer. You understand? Or probably this one which says Chrome Web Store. You understand? You can either use this one. This is like your iOS store or your Play Store on Android. So I don't know if you understand me. So right here, you can come and search for any extension you are looking for, and definitely you will see it. As you can see here, just like your Play Store, there are a lot of extensions here that you can just check. You understand? But that being said, I'm trying to show you the 10 that I use. So you can come here and just search for Go Full Page, and it's going to show you that extension. So as you can see, this is it, and they are already showing me that I've added this extension. But for you to add it, just tap on it, Go Full Page. You see here that it's showing you remove Chrome, remove from Chrome. Yours will be showing add to Chrome. So you just tap on it, then it will show you install, then you install it. You understand? So let me remove this one and install it again so you get to see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, they're telling you add to Chrome. So what you just do, just tap on it, and it will take a little bit of time, and it will pop up that you should add this extension. As you can see, I click on the add extension to my Google browser. So it will show as if it's downloading here, then automatically it will be added to your Chrome browser. So just a few seconds and it is going to show up. Okay, so as you can see, it has been successfully added to my Google browser and I can begin to use it. So this is how you add any Chrome extension you are trying to add. So they're trying to take me to their page. I don't want that. Just go out. So this is how you can add any Google Chrome extension to your browser. So that being said, how do you now access your Chrome extensions? There are two ways you do that. You can either come here, you can see this icon right here, which shows like a settings icon, but it shows extensions. Then you tap on it, then you can see all the extensions that I have in my browser. You understand? I've removed some, I even have more. If you tap on manage extensions, you will see like a library of all your extensions that you use. So as you can see, I have all these extensions right here, and I'm someone that really loves to use extensions to make my productivity faster. So that being said, once you tap here, you will see a lot, you understand? So you can begin to choose from here. So there is an easy way to quickly favorite the Chrome extensions that you use the most. So how do you do that? As you can see this icon here, which shows like a pin icon, you can pin the Chrome extensions that you use the most, and they are going to be showing right here. Let me show you where they show up. They'll be showing up right here. So as you can see, these are like almost 11 of the top Chrome extensions that I use for my productivity, and I've pinned all of them up here. So once you come, you can now just tap on any one. Let me say I'm trying to pin this one which says dimensions. I just tap on pin and it's going to show up like this. So as you can see, it's here for me. So but now the first one that we were talking about here is go full page. So this is it. Let me see it. Let me just get it from here. So as you can see, go full page. Okay, so this is it right here, go full page. If I want to snapshot this page, I'll tap on it, but let me find a longer page to snapshot. Let me say, okay, I want to snapshot this page. As you can see, this page is kind of long. It has some stuff, and if I snapshot it, it's going to snapshot everything you are seeing here. So once I tap on it, so I look for the go full page, it will automatically snapshot the page. So as you can see, screen capture in progress. So right now, it has captured everything that is on that page, including the comments under my video. So as you can see, this is the page. So I can either download the PDF file or download the image file, depending on what I want to use it for. So it's just dependent on me, but I'm not going to download this. Probably I should download the image and allow, and the image will be downloaded to my PC and I can use it for whatever I want to do. So that being said, that is it for go full page. You can use it to snapshot your pages on your browser. So the second one that we use is called the Great Suspender. So what this Chrome extension does is that in case you have opened many tabs while browsing, it will automatically suspend any other tab that you are not using actively at that moment. So let's say you open about 20 tabs and it's just 2 tabs you are using. The other 18 tabs will be on suspend, meaning that they will not be consuming data and they will not be slowing down your PC due to the data that those sites are loading up on. So let me show you an example of what this Chrome extension does. So let me say I go to this. As you can see right now, this site was on suspension. It just loaded right now. You understand? That is how it's going to show. You see this other page, which is my Gmail. It is on suspension as well. If I click on it. So as you can see, this is how, when you come back to that tab, it's going to now reload. But if you want to even suspend some tabs, like you are on a tab and you want that tab to be suspended, then you go and work on another tab. What you just have to do is tap on the icon for the Great Suspender extension, and it's going to show up. As you can see right here, I just tapped on this one, it's loading. So as you can see right here, suspend this tab, never suspend this URL, never suspend this domain, suspend all other tabs, unsuspend all other tabs. So whatever you need right now, you do. So let me say I want to suspend this tab. I just tap on suspend this tab, and it will cool down this tab for me, and I can go and continue working on another tab. You understand? So I just go back to another tab, that tab will be suspended. So this Great Suspender extension is very, very good when you are the kind of person who works on opening a lot of tabs and you do not want to get confused most times. You understand? This Great Suspender extension will help you suspend any tab that you are not using so you can focus on the one you are doing at that time. So that being said, let's move to the third extension. So this third extension is called Automute. So like we all know, some websites that you automatically just visit, we just start playing a sound, probably a video sound or an audio sound automatically, because that is how it has been set when they actually built their website. Maybe like they want you to immediately hear a sound, like capture your attention from a video. It might be like an advert on their website and the video sound will just start playing. And let's say you don't want something like that. Probably you're in somewhere that you do not want your browser to make noise. You understand? And you just automatically just visit this website and that sound comes up. You can use this Automute to automatically mute any tab you are visiting, so that immediately you visit any website, it will automatically mute any sound coming from that website. Then you can go over and turn on the sound as you wish. So let me show you how this Automute extension actually works so you get to see it. So if I go over to YouTube, although YouTube do not have autoplay from the main page, but once you enter into a video, like I'm entering into this my video, it's supposed to just start playing immediately. And maybe I do not want it to happen like that, but automatically this Automute has already muted this video for me. If you want to see it, you come over here. As you can see, this playing sound, this speaker sound is already cancelled. And if I go to the Automute extension, as you can see, on mute current tab, that means this tab is currently muted and the video is playing but there's no sound. If I want to unmute it, I just tap on unmute and the video will start sounding just like how it is sounding right now. But if I want it to be mute, I just tap on mute. And if you want to mute all tabs, you mute all tabs. If you want to mute other tabs and leave only this tab playing, you can do the same thing. You can even whitelist page and whitelist domains. So this is what this Automute extension actually does for you. So that being said, let's go to the fourth extension. The fourth extension is one of my favorite extensions because I am someone who opens a lot of tabs when I browse, and sometimes I can get very, very confused. I've opened over 50 tabs and it's now very hectic for me to actually find a particular tab where I want to work on. But with this one tab extension, you can automatically put all the tabs you have opened up into one single page that you can easily just scroll through and find the tab you want to work on and tap on it and begin to work on that tab. So let me show you what I mean with this Chrome extension. So this is it right here. I have it here. I can also use this place to search for it, but I've already made it easy for myself. So I just tap on it, one tab. It has like a funnel logo. So tap on it and automatically, immediately you tap on it, it will automatically just compile all the tabs you are in into one tab. So amazing. So you can quickly just come and begin to flip through and choose the tab you want to work on and be much more focused and productive. So it's actually loading. I'll give it a little bit of time. It's going to load up. So as you can see, look at all the tabs I have here. I even have some like new tabs that I've opened up before. As you can see, all my tabs. So let me just show you what I mean here. You see, I opened 34 tabs created on so date, and here 10 tabs, here 13 tabs, here I have about 44 tabs and a whole lot of tabs. Just imagine all these tabs are opened up in one browser section. My PC will even be slowing down, but with this one tab session, I can automatically just choose the tab I want to work on and begin to work on it. And when I need to flip to another tab, I can quickly just come here and scroll through and choose the tab I want to work on. So like right now, I want to go back to my presentation slide. I just tap here and my presentation slide is going to open up for me. So I'm back here. Let me go back to number 4 where we were. Okay, so right here, this is number 4, and that is how the one tab Chrome extension actually works. You understand? You can just move around it. It's very easy and you can just do a lot with it. Let me even show you some stuff that you can do with it. Sorry, you understand? You can see bring all tabs into one place. You can share all as a web page. You can export and even import some tab. You can restore all tabs, delete, share as a web page, and a whole lot of them. You understand? You can even see when you created some tabs. You understand? Look at the time you created some tabs. So you can say, okay, I was browsing by this time. I need to go to this time. Then you can use here to locate this tab you're trying to work on. So as you can see, I have about 150 tabs open. Just imagine it's opened up in one browser session. My PC will be very, very slow. So now let's go back. The 5th Chrome extension is Grammarly. I really, really love this Chrome extension. And not that I just love Chrome, and not just that I love it as a Chrome extension, I also use it on my mobile phone. Reason being that this app helps you correct your English blunders. Yeah, it helps you correct sentences, correct grammars, correct even spellings that you are doing when probably typing. You understand? Let's say you're trying to send an email, you're trying to type on Facebook comments or something like that. It will automatically detect errors for you so you can quickly correct them, and it uses standard English. You understand? So let me just go over to Grammarly. As you can see, this is it here, Grammarly. You tap on it. So as you can see, this is it. I am already using it. I didn't even sign in. You understand? But it's good you sign in so that you can store some stuffs, because they have some long stuff that you can do right there. But as you can see, I'm even using it without signing in. So as you can see right here, Grammarly is active, but the key features are missing. That is because I am not typing. But let me just say I open up a new tab and I'm trying to send an email. I'll just quickly type an email so you get to see. So let's say I want to compose a new email. I tap on compose. Then right here I'm typing, how are you today? And I didn't spell it very well. You understand? I continue to type more. All good. Sorry. All good. And I continue. So now as you can see, this is showing me an error. So Grammarly has automatically detected that I made an error and I was supposed to type today here, and it will automatically update me. You understand? It has much more features. You understand? When you actually do some stuff and you are logged in, it will start correcting you with the sentences that you need to actually follow. If your sentences are not matching, Grammarly will automatically show you the suggestions for you to correct your sentences and even change some words to make your structure of your email or whatever you're trying to compose much more professional. So you can test out Grammarly and see how it works. If you're trying to even see if there's an error on what you have typed, you can just tap on this. You always see it here and it will show you that there is an error that you need to actually do, but you need to be logged in. I'm not logged in, that's why it is not showing me. So you need to be logged in for you to do that. But that being said, you can check out Grammarly and see how it works. So the 6th extension that I'll be showing you today is called Blocksite. So what this Chrome extension does is that it automatically blocks access to a certain site so that you can probably focus on working on another site at the moment. So let's say you're this kind of person who would like to just quickly go to Facebook and just chat your girlfriend, chat your friend, check comments, see what's buzzing. This site is going to automatically block Facebook for a particular period of time so that you can focus on the tasks you have at the moment. When you are done, you can go quickly unblock it and begin to chat with whoever you're trying to chat with. So it quickly just shows you, hey, nice try, this site is blocked, meaning that for now you cannot access this site. And how do you use this extension? So let me go over to let me just go over to one website here. So this let me just say I want to block this website. This website is called 21centuryideas.com, and let me say I do not want to see this website now. Like maybe when I'm browsing, I don't want to see this website because maybe there's something on this website that I do not want to see. It might stop me from doing other stuff. I can just come over to this point on this Chrome extension, as you can see, Blocksite, tap on it, and it's going to show me block this site. And if I tap on block this site is currently blocked. You understand? If I try to reload this site again, it's going to show me, hey, you can't access this site. so funny. Forget about it. You put 21century.com in your block list. It's probably for a reason. And that reason is for you to focus right now and consume yourself in the tasks you have at hand. When you are done, you can go back and unblock this site. So to unblock it, you just go back to here. Just leave this site maybe later. As you can see, edit block list. Just tap on edit block list. Then you can remove that website from your block list. As you can see, this is it, 21 Century Ideas, and I'll just remove it from my block list. And when I visit that website again, let me visit that website again. The website is going to load right now. So this is one thing that this Chrome extension does for you. Aside from blocking the website, it does something again for you. It gives you the opportunity to put yourself on a focus mode. Just tap on it, and as you can see, focus mode timer. Focus on the task and be more productive. So that means after blocking this site, you can now come here and say, oh, I don't want to visit Facebook for the next 1 hour. You can now come here and say, okay, for the next 60 minutes, I do not want to visit Facebook. I want this focus mode timer to show me a timer that I need to work for the next 60 minutes. So now let's say I want to work for the next 20 minutes. It will show me focus time, 20 minutes. How many breaks do you want to have? So let's say inside that 20 minutes, you want to take 3-minute break to drink water and come back. So just say 3 minutes. And there are a number of cycles. How many times do you want this to cycle up? I can say once, twice, 3 times, or 4 times. It just depends on you. Then you now tap on start session. Then just click on maybe later, and you see your timer has started. All you just have to do now is go back and start working. You understand? Start ensuring that you are working. Once you work, you can quickly tap here to see your timer and say, oh, I have just 18 minutes. Just like you giving yourself discipline. I need to complete this task in the next 15 minutes. So this is one awesome part of this Chrome extension that you can also utilize apart from blocking sites. So that being said, I'm going to go over to the next Chrome extension and you see how it goes. But if you are already enjoying this video as it is going, ensure that you click on the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, and also comment on this video to give this video a boost on the YouTube algorithm. So that being said, let's continue. So now I love this Chrome extension personally because I am a web designer and I use this Chrome extension a lot. What this Chrome extension does is that it helps you find fonts on the internet. That is why you see the name is called What Fonts. So let's say I am on a certain page browsing and I like the font that is on that page, but how can I know this font so I can use it on my own design when I am doing mine? This What font is going to help you know what font is that. So let me go back to that website that we talked about here. So let's say I want to know the font this guy used here. Although in my head I already know this font because I use it a lot, but let's say I do not know it. I'll just tap on What Font. As you can see it here, it has a black sign here, What Font, and you can see it's showing up anywhere you go, like you should search wherever. So now just come over to the text, just hover on any part of the text. It's now going to show you, as you can see, the name of this font is called Montserrat. So now if you even tap on it, it will show you some extra features. The name of this font is called Montserrat, and the weight when this web page was being created is 600, and it's under the sans serif family, and the style was normal and other extra features as you can see right here. So if you are a web page designer, you will understand all this and it will be very, very useful for you, just like it is for me. As you can see, the color as well, it shows you the color. So that being said, this is how you can actually use these words fonts to detect different type of fonts on different web pages. So let me even scroll down and see if they used a different font on this web page that I'm scrolling on. So let me just go down. So right here, as you can see on this button, as you can see right here, the font used on this button is called Poppins. And as you can see, we have others. This one is Roboto. And that's just it. You understand? That's one sweet thing about this words font extension. So that being said, let's move to the next extension, which is called, let's see, HTTPS everywhere. This extension is very, very important. It helps you when you are visiting different kind of websites. As we all know, websites are secured and some websites are not secured. So any website that is secured, we always have the S later after the HTTPS. So that is to show you that this site is secure and you can do business with this website. You are free to surf this website. So this plugin helps you to enter into any website safely. Even a website that is not safe, normally that has HTTP, you are going to go into this website safe because it will automatically log you in to the HTTPS server of this website. So that being said, I'm going to show you how this extension works and how you too can actually put it on your own extension. So that being said, I'm going to show you how this extension works. So let's go. As you can see, HTTPS everywhere has access to this site. And I have not turned it on. But first of all, when you are logging into any website, once you come here, you can see this icon, this padlock icon. It shows you that this website is either secured or not secured. But if the padlock is there, it means this website is secured. And if you tap on it, it's going to show you connection is secure. But let me visit a website that is not secure so you get to see what I mean. And normally it is advised you should not put in things like your credit card when trying to interact with websites that do not have HTTPS. So let me visit a website that is not secured so you get to see. Okay, so as you can see, I'm right here on this website, and if you check out here, this website says not secured. And as you can see, your connection to this site is not secure. You should not enter any sensitive information such as password or credit card. So it is not so safe to surf this website. But with the HTTPS everywhere extension, you can actually enter into this website safely. So how do you do that? Just tap on the extension. As you can see, this is it. Then you turn it on. So once you turn it on, the website is going to refresh, trying to fetch the data. You understand? The extension is trying to fetch the data of this website. Then you tap it again, and now you enable the second one, which says encrypt all sites eligible. And now as you can see, it's turned off. So I just turn it on, and automatically this website is going to refresh, and it is going to show the padlock sign, which shows that this website is secured. So as you can see right here, the padlock sign is here and they say connection is secure, and we are free to do business with these people. So this is what the HTTPS everywhere extension can do for you. So that being said, let's move to the next extension. So right here, the next extension is called Picture in Picture. So this extension, I really love it a lot because I can use it to do two things at a time. And let me show you what this extension does. So let's go to YouTube and I will show you the efficiency of this extension. So let me open up YouTube. So with this extension, you can actually resize your screen and flip in between tabs. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So right here, let me just look for a simple video and play. So let me open up this video so you get to see. So right here, this is the video, and let me say that while watching this video, I also want to jot down stuffs also on another page. You understand? As you can see, I'm in YouTube and I don't want to use a pen. Probably I don't have a pen close to me. I want to still type while I watch this video. With this picture-in-picture extension, you can actually do this. So let me show you how. So you tap on the icon of the picture-in-picture extension. As you can see, immediately it will resize another frame of the video for you. As you can see, this is another frame, and if I flip in between tabs, as you can see, let me say this is where I have my Google Docs and I want to start typing while watching this video. It will now be easier for me, so I can put this video here, play it, and let's say it's a webinar. I'm trying to watch a webinar, and once I'm learning from this webinar, I can be taking my notes while still learning. Whereas if I was on this screen and I wanted to be watching while still attending to my notes, it will not be so possible because I will not be seeing the speaker. But with this, I can actually see what is going on and still take my notes. So this is the powerful, effective way this extension actually works. And you can actually begin to utilize it for your own effectiveness. So that being said, this is it for the picture-in-picture extension. The next extension is called Eyedropper. I really love this extension because it makes it easy for you to pick colors on any web page. You understand? Anything being color on your screen, you can pick it as far you are using the eyedropper extension. And let's say, for example, you are a web page designer. This extension is very helpful to you because probably sometimes you are trying to edit and you are looking for a particular color to put at a certain part of your design, but you cannot get that color. This eyedropper extension will help you get that color. So let me show you an example of what I mean. So let me go back to YouTube and look for a color that I would like to copy. So let's say this green color, I want to copy this green color right here. Okay, that green is popular. Let me look for something different. Let me look for something different to copy. Okay, now, as you can see this one right here, it's also green, but I want to copy that part of the green. So what I'll just do is I'll tap on this eyedropper. As you can see, this is it right here. So I will just right now go to pick color from web page. So I just tap on it. And once I hover on this web page, I can begin to pick colors. So it's loading up. As you can see, if I come wherever my mouse is, the color is going to show up. As you can see, if I come here, I'm already trying to pick the color. If I come to this blue sign, I'm trying to pick the color if I'm on his shirt, and that is just how it works. So let me say I'm copying the color from this man's forehead. It looks like white color. You understand? I can just tap it and the color automatically has copied. So this is a color. I don't know what kind of color, kind of pinkish. So if I want to use this color for a design, be it web page design, graphic design or something, I will just copy the color code and go and paste it, and it's going to work for me. So this is why I really love the eyedropper extension. It makes it easy for me to pick colors from any web page. So this is it, 10 powerful extensions you can use to increase your productivity in 2021, and I believe that you will start using this extension to increase your own productivity and make things much more easier for you as you work on the internet using Chrome. Okay, 10 Chrome extensions that you can use to increase your work productivity in 2022. That was it. I've shown you these Chrome extensions, and I'm sure that you got value from that video and you will begin to use these Chrome extensions to increase your own work productivity in this 2022 and time beyond. So that being said, if you enjoyed this video, kindly click on the like button, comment on this video so that it can grow on the YouTube algorithm, and also if you are yet to subscribe, now will be the right time for you to do so. Kindly click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I drop amazing videos just like this one. So that being said, guys, I'm going to see you on the next video. Take care and have fun.